Hey there, seekers of wisdom. Welcome back to Mount Stoicism. Ever feel overwhelmed by the chaos of life? Anxious about the future? Well, buckle up because today we're unlocking the secrets of Stoicism, a timeless guide to finding peace in the modern whirlwind. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Imagine a moment when everything feels overwhelming, deadlines looming, relationships tested, and the weight of expectations bearing down. Now picture strolling through this serene park, surrounded by ancient wisdom. Here we embrace the Stoic Mindset, adapting ageless philosophy to the hustle of our daily lives. Join me as we weave this ancient tapestry into the fabric of our modern existence. In the face of life's inevitable challenges, we often feel the need to control the uncontrollable. Picture a day when everything goes south. Work deadlines closing in, traffic jams, unexpected bills. The Stoics, in their brilliance, guide us not in controlling the world, but in how we respond to it. So, here on this park bench, let's break down how you can navigate the chaos of life using Stoicism, even on your toughest days. Trust me, I've been there too, and the Stoic wisdom can be a game changer. In a world relentlessly focused on the future, we often forget the power of the present moment. Imagine sitting in a cafe, stress and anxiety about what lies ahead. Here we'll explore how Stoicism whispers a simple yet revolutionary truth. Be present. Join me for a cup of tea as we delve into how living in the here and now can be your secret weapon against life's relentless demands. Ever found yourself wishing you could control everything? High above the cityscape, where the noise is drowned by the vastness, let's talk about acceptance. Stoicism teaches us that acknowledging what's beyond our control is the key to freeing ourselves from unnecessary suffering. Picture a moment where you release the need to control, standing atop a metaphorical rooftop, embracing the power of acceptance. It's a transformative journey, I promise. Life, much like a mountain trail, has its peaks and valleys. Imagine facing a daunting climb, personal setbacks, failures, or unforeseen obstacles. The Stoics didn't preach avoidance. Instead, they encouraged becoming stronger through challenges. Here on this mountain trail, let's discover the art of building resilience, one Stoic step at a time. The view at the top is worth every effort, and the Stoic principles are your guide through the ascent. As the sun sets on our Stoic journey, envision a moment when life's storms seem to settle. The wisdom of the ancients isn't lost. It's right here with us, offering solace amidst chaos. Embrace the philosophy of Stoicism, my fellow seekers, and find tranquility in the midst of life's storms. If this journey resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay wise.